Hello ladies and gentlemen, Railroad 82 here, your railroad archaeologist. So here, we're gonna do a follow-up video on the old Seaboard train station, abandoned Seaboard train station in Homestead. Here you have a view, track view south. About 2 miles down, the tracks abruptly come to an end. I'll include a link to the video. And then here you have an abandoned spur. This whole thing is abandoned here. Even people's morals are abandoned, as you see in all the trash and crap thrown on the side. But yeah, so this is the actual station, right? And you can see the lettering on the side from those. Oh shit! Oh, excuse my French, but yeah, you can actually still see some rails here from that time that were discarded, and you can see the lettering on the side of the building. Homestead, Florida. The arches boarded up. I wonder if we can get a peek inside. No, there's still glass there. Homestead, Florida. The last stop for the Seaboard Orange Blossom as it made its way down this way. And then, so the address is 214 Northwest 9th Terrace. I'll include a Google Maps link to this location. But yeah, look at that. All boarded up with security cameras. Not the best of neighborhoods. Well, I was gonna cross here, but this is probably a team track or a loading dock. I'm scared to see what I'll find back here. No, not that bad. Okay, so this was where I began filming over there, and then this would have been where the passengers boarded the station. These were probably awnings. You can see the supports for the awnings there. Guys, there's so much history here where I'm standing. Can you imagine all the people that stood here at one point, that walked through those doors, that saw these windows, that waited for a train, that boarded trains? And I bet you so many people locally here don't even know what this building signifies or what it meant at one point. I mean, if it wasn't for this building, Homestead, Florida wouldn't be what it is today, because it brought all the pioneers down here in the 1920s, 1926 era. So yeah, I'm gonna show you track view here, track view north. And then this gentleman's probably gonna ride home. And over here you have track view south again. And just for extra credit, I'm gonna show you guys an abandoned spur here. Northwest 10th Avenue. And we will follow it right to the gate and see if I can show you guys an overhead shot over there. Or at least maybe between the film there, between those covers. To there, and then let's see over here. Oh, way over there you got a whole lot of growth. You can't notice anything. Alrighty guys, that's what it looks like over here. And then this would be a shot from the building from west looking east. On this side, you can also notice it said Homestead, Florida on the building. I'll zoom in on it right now. Yeah, you probably can't tell. But right there it says Homestead, Florida. And I'm gonna leave you guys with a track view over here. Yep, there she is. All right, ladies and gentlemen, please subscribe or like. Thank you very much for viewing. Take care. Over and out.